The blockchains have overflowed the money scene and the monetary environment is loaded with isolated individual smaller than normal tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Thus the whole usefulness of FTX token, FTT, depends on making itself genuinely special, beating the rationalist crypto scene. With an exceptional spotlight on giving force to cryptographic forms of money, FTX has arisen as a clever trade in the digital currency fragment. FTX token offers dealers a by and large special platform that moves their devotion and offers power-pressed highlights that are unbelievable in traditional digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others amazingly. Before we start with FTX sort of token cost expectation, how about we actually take a look at FTX token outline? Upheld by a group of committed experts, who are involved with their devotion to specialized skill on blockchain calculations, FTX token specialists work non-stop. The organogram sort of starts with CEO and founder Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO, Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and COO Sina Nader. FTX token, the exemplary characteristics. FTX token gives a multipronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a beneficial speculation. Merchants generally are certain of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more famous as coin FTT, in a significant manner. FTX token offers versatility and speed as well as really saw as solid and reliable. Counting a specially fabricated FTX token in cold wallet arrangement, full outer sponsorship of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry-driving overseers, FTX token has a benchmark of industry supporters, which is very huge. Incorporation of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience, which is very huge. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-understand exchanges are only a portion of the many elements FTX token comes outfitted with. FTX token, historical data and technical analysis. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This fundamentally cutting-edge innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the regular systems of exchange on the lookout. FTX tokens, especially local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients overall, is yet to situate itself in the centralized computer of venture commendable monetary forms. The idleness that at first played for the FTX token is no more there, as the especially token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as merchants. Throughout recent months, the cost of FTX token in a real sense has shown a critical cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enrolled an untouched high at $63.08. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and at present, it exchanges around $34. A much of the time and distinctly noticed quality of FTX sort of token cost in the cryptographic money market is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. As a gullible contestant, this crypto resource is yet to get momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its inborn in every way that really matters, potential. FTX essentially token price prediction, market sentiment. As of now, the cost of FTX in every practical sense, token truly remains at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The circling supply of FTX tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late participant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource classification. The cost estimate specialists are very hopeful, based on our gauge framework, and in every practical sense, long-haul increment is normal. The FTX token cost guess for 2026 is $213.229. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to really be around plus 423.75%, or so they thought. Regardless of its reception according to specialized investigation, the FTX token cost confronted heat till Jan 2022. Going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back, FTX token cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, say by 2024, $71.80, best case scenario. A great deal of FTX token ventures fundamentally are moving from idea stage to testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of tasks would essentially have been finished. Subsequently, an inside and out bullish value forecast of $52 giving FTX kind of token a decent worth, which is very critical. A profound entrance into the statistical data points of FTX kind of token, FTT, generally has a by and large unique story to uncover. In spite of having enormous future potential and commitments of hopeful exchanging, the token certainly has a ton of motivations to work certainly more diligently to basically coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. As per our crypto gauges, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen basically. A ton of redoing most certainly is required by the engineers to show greater readiness in rolling out genuinely extreme improvements to the basics of the undertaking. FTX token price prediction 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that FTX token, FTT, is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Amazingly, keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and bucks, the cost for FTT just keeps on demonstrating a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token price prediction 2023, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token, FTT, ventures a piece troublesome, it would for the most part cause a misfortune, however just pitiful, dropping to $62.21 on the cost diagram. In any case, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this disorder for speculation. Exhortation. FTX token price prediction 2024, which is genuinely huge. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by anticipated that FTX most certainly token, FTT, will run the crypto outline with a presentation of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which really shows FTT truly can possibly support itself in the market of computerized resources. FTX token price prediction 2025. As indicated by our drawn-out expectations, 2025